In this video, we will see how to insert levels in a project. We will also see how to rename them. As we all know, levels define the height of the building. They define each story of the structure. InstaCrete users can add levels from any view. Now, let us add 6 levels to the project. Open the Level Manager dialog box by clicking the RCC CAD tab and the Level tool. Here at the top, you can see 3 options. Upon selecting all these 3 options, 3 types of plan views appear in the project browser. They are namely, the structural plan, ceiling plan and the floor plan. Select this structural plan. Place value 6 as the number of levels and the distance between them as 3000 mm. Click OK to add the levels to the project. Open the south elevation for the observation purpose. By default, a structural template has 2 levels, 3000 mm apart. We added 6 levels. That is why we have 8 levels in total. Double-click the level name so that we can change its name. Let the new name be base level. Press Enter key to change the name. In the warning message box, click Yes. The level 1 changes to base level in the project browser.